Once upon a time, in a bright and busy school, there were three good friends named Ollie, Sarah, and Tom. They loved playing games during recess and helping each other in class. They believed that being kind made school a happy place. One day, they noticed a quiet boy named Noah sitting alone near the playground. Some older kids were teasing him and calling him unkind names. Noah looked sad and scared, and he held his school bag tightly. Ollie felt upset and said, "That's not right. Bullying hurts people." Sarah nodded. "But if we go alone, we might be scared." Tom thought for a moment and said, "If we stand together, we can be strong." The next day, when the bullies started teasing Noah again, Ollie, Sarah, and Tom walked toward them side by side. Their hearts were beating fast, but they didn't stop. Ollie spoke calmly, "Please stop. This is not kind." Sarah added, "Everyone deserves respect." Tom said firmly, "We are all friends here." The bullies were surprised. They were not used to seeing kids stand together so confidently. Slowly, they stepped back and walked away. Noah looked up with wide eyes. "Thank you," he whispered. "I was scared." From that day on, Noah joined the friends during recess. They played, laughed, and helped each other. The playground felt warmer and happier. Soon, other kids noticed their kindness. When bullying tried to start again, more children stood together and said, "Stop bullying." The school began to change. Teachers praised the children for their courage and teamwork. They explained that bullying stops when people choose kindness and unity. Ollie, Sarah, and Tom learned an important lesson. Being brave doesn't mean being loud or mean. It means standing up for what is right together. And Noah learned that true friends can make fear disappear. When friends stand together, bullying loses its power.